Chatbots are becoming a must-have for businesses, and Chatfuel is one of the most popular platforms out there. But how does it perform in real use? Here's my full experience using Chatfuel. Chatfuel is designed for creating chatbots on Facebook Messenger and Instagram without any coding. Setting up is simple. You can start with templates or build a bot from scratch. The drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to create conversations, set up FAQs, and automate responses. One of the strongest points is automation. Chatfuel can handle customer inquiries, send broadcast messages, and even collect leads automatically. It integrates with popular tools like Zapier, Google Sheets, and Shopify, which makes it versatile for e-commerce and marketing purposes. Performance is solid, responses are fast, and you can program multiple paths for different customer needs. Most people get this wrong by assuming chatbots are too rigid. Chatfuel allows conditional logic, so conversations can feel natural and dynamic. Pricing is tiered. There's a free version for basic bots, which is great for testing or small businesses. Paid plans unlock advanced analytics, unlimited subscribers, and integration options. For businesses serious about automation, the paid plan is worth considering. The main limitation is platform dependency. Chatfuel works best on Facebook and Instagram, so if your audience is outside these platforms, reach may be limited. Also, complex bots may require some trial and error to perfect. In conclusion, Chatfuel is a powerful and user-friendly chatbot platform, especially for businesses leveraging Facebook and Instagram. It's easy to set up, automates repetitive tasks, and scales with your business. For customer engagement and lead generation, it's definitely worth trying. Subscribe for more reviews, digital marketing tips, and automation tools to grow your business efficiently.